Alright, kids, so hello everyone. In this video, we are going to continue with our daily dose of AWS. Okay, so let's go back to where are we now? Um, go to our home, go to, where are we now? We go to repos, then go to AWS 2023. CD AWS 2023, right? And then let's go to our ECS, or no, let's go here. Right, and let's continue with our um, ECS thing. You have Docker installed in your system. Do you want yes? Yes. Don't mask me again. Get SDK. What's that? Configure trusted domains. What's that? So yeah, where are we now? Okay, so here. Okay, so let's go here, ls, so go to ECS and then go to, where's our CloudFormation here? Oh, no, not ECS. Go to our CICD. CICD, right? So let's go to EC CloudFormation and let's execute our CloudFormation. So we wanna create a script for this. Build infra.ps1. Then this one we want to just copy this baby girl in here, put that there, and then this one, another one here. or or do we want it to maybe make them, maybe they're dependent on each other, but I'll have to just launch type. I'll just put them on a different file. This one is the ECS. ECS. Okay, so there you go, and let's build these girls. Okay, PowerShell build infra ECS, and it's going to build art. Calling the crate stack already exists. Huh? There's already an infrastructure. What? CloudFormation has been it has been there for a while. Has it been there for a while? Yeah, so there is. Damn. So let's click that and then delete. How to do the cloud drift? AWS cloud drift, detect drift, and entire cloud stuff. Yeah. Cancel. Go to stack info. So there's a uh, detect drift. Okay, so click this one. Detect drift. Drift detection initiated. Because I've kept on deleting um, resources, and I I might have just deleted resources that is associated with this um, cloud for CloudFormation. So wait until CloudFormation completes the drift detection operation. When the drift detection operation completes, CloudFormation updates drift status and last drift check time for your stack. These fields are listed in the overview section of the stack info pane of the stack details page. Alright, so let's go here. VPC and subnets as base for an ECS cluster. Where to see the status, drifts, CloudFormation, stacks, drifts. Go to drifts, drift status, drifted. So how to resolve this? This one. Deleted. All of them are already deleted. Delete stack drift. Okay, so let's just delete this stack. Right. So it's now gonna delete. So what will happen if it has drifted and we will delete it? Drifts. Stacks. Delete in progress. And and they all come marching down to the ground. To get out of the rain, boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. Alright, so it was deleted. Now let us build, rebuild the infra. Now the stack has been created. Create in progress. And after this, we will build the launch type. Create stack ECS stack name JX ECS type 2 capabilities name template name. Yeah. So what this will do is it will build an auto scaling group, security cluster. Clusters coming from the environment. These are the environment. Name that will be used for namespace. Cloud values. Please choose a valid. So instance type, where will it be? Okay, so instance type is here. How will it choose? Yeah, the default, it will choose the default. C2 that small. Oh, the creation is completed. So let us PowerShell build infra, and then the second one, which is the ECS, or no, the launch type, then create that. Okay, that was created. Refresh, creation in progress. The ends go much into but to hurrah, hurrah. The ends go much into but to hurrah, hurrah. The ends go much into but to the little ones that they all go marching down to the ground to get out from the rain. Dum, dum, dum. The ends go much into but to hurrah, hurrah. The ends go much into but to hurrah, hurrah. Alright, let's wait for it to complete. And they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Go to events. Jet. Okay, let's wait for it to complete. While we're at it, let us just can we just delete them all at once? Delete infra dot bs1. Then just delete them. Right? This one here. Put the other one here. Then this one. We'll put that in here. Then let us remove that, and then remove that, right? So creation is still in progress. And they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching two by two. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two. The yellow ones shoe and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Oh, doom, doom. The ants go marching two by two. Hurrah, hurrah. Let's go marching two by two. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two. The yellow ones go too high. Should they all marching down to the ground to get off of the rain. Alright, still in progress. Wait for it to complete. Let's go marching two by two. Hurrah, hurrah. Nothing here to care about. What's it sound about? Alright, so it got completed. Alright, good news, it got completed. And next is we wanna go to our ECS. And then dun, 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 dun. Right, so we're now here. We got a cluster. We got a, do we have a task definition? We got a task definition. And why do we have a task definition here? Um, we should delete, I guess we should delete this because we're not referencing it from our CloudFormation. Let us all delete the register our task defs, and this one will be deleted. How do we delete that? Task definitions. I want to delete this. Yeah, so no more task definition. And now if we go to our our cluster, we don't have a service yet. Then let's create a task definition. Right, so we will call this JX task def x. All right. So infrastructure is Fargate. This is the task rule. So do we have a repository already? So this is the launch type, right? Is there talking about some repository in here? No, this is just talking about the. By the way, I copied this from somewhere and I forgot what's the name of that guy. But thanks to that guy. Please choose a valid instance. All right, so we'll break. Um, we'll exit in 30 minutes from now. So yeah, so it's just creating the. What is this creating? Is this just the EC2? Resource type VPC, it's creating the VPC. Then this one is creating the cluster, the ECS cluster. So now we still have this one here, so we'll copy that, put it here, and then the name is JX Coder API. JX Coder API, that is the one that we're going to deploy or to use in the service. That is the container. Environment variables, you will not have environment variables, Docker, blah 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 blah. Great. So now we have our task def. Let's go to our ECS. Oh no, our cluster, and then let's create the service. Created successfully. The task definition is created successfully. We use, oh, see here, there's no capacity provider. Maybe that is because of the type of infrastructure that we use. So we'll call a service, the latest, and then this is going to be JX service. Click deployment option, still a rolling update. Turn on service contact, load balancer, load application load balancer is existing. Is there a load balancer that was created? Okay, JXLB. Use an existing target group. This one. Right, create. So it's creating the service. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, our service is now active, but zero completed. Why is that? View load balancer. Okay. Target group. Go to network. Open this address. Temporarily service temporary. So go to API customers. How about here? Customers. It's supposed to be just customers, right? Let's go to our go to AWS. Go to 2023. Then no, not here. Supposed to be in Coder API. Let's check. The route is just customers. Yeah, it's just customers, but it's temporary unavailable because um, because this is failed. This has failed. So let's go to our security group. So let's go to our load balancer. What is the security group that it's using? Can we access it from here? Configuration. Where's our target group? So this is the target group. And then where's the security group? Do we have a security group here? Let's go to security groups. Do we have security groups? Yes, we do have security groups. What is this? When was this created? Yeah, so maybe this one, JX ECS. Okay, so yeah. So this is the one. We don't have an inbound rule. Edit inbound rule. Inbound rules. Add inbound rule. So go to um, IP type. What is the type? HTTP from anywhere. And then add another rule, HTTP TCP, or no need. And just maybe, or maybe HTTPS. And then this one, or we can still use HTTP here. Save rule. Right. Then let us, this one, do we need to update this or no? Go to the network, go to this one, still unavailable. Do we need to update test definitions? So on security group, deployment, update, force new deployment, update, service updated, service is still unavailable. This is the target group. Can we check which security group it's using? Total targets, healthy, unhealthy. This is the load balancer. Can we check the load balancer? What is the security? Or maybe let's just go to the security group. Check what is here the security. So this is the security that it's security group that it's using. So this is the security group that it's using. Oh, where can my baby be? Right, I believe this is the one, the default one. 0DFA, 0DFA, right? Oh, where can my baby be? Inbound, so same. We haven't defined the inbound rules. Oh, where can my baby be? The Lord took her away from me. It's gone to heaven, so I've got to be good. So it has HTTP, HTTP traffic. Let me add a rule here. Still HTTP. Then anywhere. This one here, HTTP. No, anywhere like that. And then save. Already exist. Back. Delete. Yeah, because it already existed. This one here. But why? Why isn't it working? There's one. Registered targets. Failed. Right, so I believe provisioning. What's this? So this is self provisioning. Okay, so let's go to our cluster. Let's check there's an infrastructure if this has completed. Okay, so there's one container here. Security group. Security group. And then let's. This is the auto scaling. This is the auto scaling. That is the auto scaling group. The CPU. Alright, so again, we will stop this endeavor and let's continue with our life. What's this? Deployment and test. One test, zero. What's this? Provisioning, still provisioning. No test. Let's check. Zero, two failed, zero completed. Yeah, and yeah, we will stop this and we'll see you in the next video. No, we will just not upload this. Bye.